Carpathians, a rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes converge here. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this land has inspired generations with its diverse traditions and flavors. Today, we delve into its culinary tapestry, blending tradition and innovation to bring you a unique twist on a classic Italian favorite.
First, scald the tomatoes with boiling water and let them cool for a couple of minutes. This is done to make it easier to peel off the skin. Then peel the tomatoes and cut them into small cubes. Slice the onion into half rings. Finely chop 5 cloves of garlic. Finely chop the basil. Saute the onion and garlic in olive oil until softened. Add the tomatoes and simmer for 20-30 minutes until the sauce thickens. Add salt, pepper, and basil to taste. Transfer the prepared sauce to a bowl and blend it with a blender. The sauce is ready. Slice the eggplants into thin rounds about 1/3 inches and place them in a bowl or on a masher. Sprinkle the eggplants with salt and let them sit. For about 30 minutes, this will help remove bitterness. Slice the mushrooms into thin slices. Beat the egg in a bowl and coat the prepared eggplants in it. Fry the eggplants on both sides until golden brown in olive oil. Then place them on paper towels to remove excess oil. Grease a baking dish and layer the eggplants. Then add a layer of mushrooms and half of the tomato sauce. Sprinkle with Parmesan and mozzarella. Repeat the layers once more. Bake in the oven at a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes until the cheese melts and turns golden. For an appealing finish, garnish the finished dish with fresh basil leaves.